Hello everybody, welcome back to our project here in Philadelphia. In one of our projects in Philadelphia. Recently we've been doing a lot of work in Philly. So for those that you've seen the video before, welcome back, and this is a transformation. For those that have not seen the video before, visit us online, www.paramountestateslc.com, and see the video before. Okay, this is the dining room area. So here it used to be plaster on the ceiling, on the walls. Here used to be another wall. As you can see, we took down this wall and then we expanded the kitchen area into the dining room. We created a breakfast countertop over here. Right here, there used to be a wall. There used to be a closet space. We took the closet space down and we put up this wall. And right here, it used to be the staircase going down to the basement. We took the staircase out of there. We extended the kitchen floor, made it wider, put the refrigerator over here. And into this area, we put a pocket door that made the most sense. We put a pocket door over here. And we went and built it a brand new staircase. It's a winding type staircase. It winds, turns. So, and right over here, we will show you in a minute what it looks like. And in this area, we put a pantry. That's our pantry right here. So this is the pantry. We made it a nice, very fancy pantry. You have over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. They have 3 wall supports. They are adjustable. And as you can see, the floor, put a nice oak carved floor into the kitchen. It's gray color, and we extended underneath the pantry floor and the transition over here. Later in the future, evidently it's going to be more of this hardwood floor showing onto the staircase, but that's another project. So now, cameraman, show them the winding staircase leading down into the basement. So that's our staircase. That's our brand new staircase. So yeah, it was very complicated. It was not an easy task. We had a lot of back and forth with the local authorities, trying to get the height right, the width right, because these basements, as you know, they don't have a full height. So still, however, you have to meet the code 6'8" from the last trade to the ceiling. So it was very hard, but we did. We accomplished that. So now I'm going to show you the rest. That is right here. Right here, what we have, again, like I said, we created the breakfast countertop. We have a granite countertops, and this is called River White. And we fabricate actually. We have a fabricator over here in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and that's where these things were fabricated. The cabinets are J and K, and that's the shaker, white shaker, J and K. So one of the best. They feature soft closing on the drawers. Soft closing on the drawers, and also we're having soft closing on the doors, the cabinet doors. So that's an amazing here. The sink, yeah, not just on here. Let's talk about the sink. This sink is actually was meant to be for corners, but our customer liked it, and she selected this one. So this thing is called D-sink, D as in David, D-sink. So this thing allows us to have the faucet installed, this gooseneck faucet installed on the right side, so that clears more space in front of the sink. So that's a gooseneck, and that's an American standards gooseneck faucet. We also put a granite shelf right on top of the window ledge, so the whole thing flows. Everywhere you go, you have granite. What else I gotta show you here? Yeah, the window. That window used to be huge. Remember, it was about 6 feet, and it shrunk the window down to 30 It's about 32 inches window, so you have more cabinets. The cabinets, the wall cabinets, are 42 inches high. So we're using 42 inches high over here. The backsplash. The backsplash is white subway, classic white subway tile. And appliances, we went with Whirlpool. That's gas, Whirlpool. Nice stuff, clean stuff, state of the art. Same as with the microwave. A nice microwave. And the same thing with the dishwasher. That's the controls high with the dishwasher, so the children don't play with it. So you got a nice dishwasher here. Again about Whirlpool. And we put a new back door, as you can see, with a 6-light back door, steel door in the back. So we install this one here. So yes, that looks wonderful. I mean, the old one wouldn't even open. So and right there we have our refrigerator. That's a nice, beautiful refrigerator. Again, that's by Whirlpool. On top of the refrigerator, we have the 27-inch cabinet. That's a 27-inch cabinet that goes right on top of the refrigerator. So and then here you have more cabinets, so that gives you more additional workspace. Okay, you have additional workspace, more drawers, more cabinets. So it's wonderful. And as far as, let's say, lighting concerns, you can see the lights on the ceiling. We have the LED lights. We have two round LED lights on the kitchen ceiling. And we have this wonderful pendant lights right on top of the kitchen breakfast countertop. Marvelous. And of course, don't miss this. This is the best. Okay, so that completes the whole thing together. Okay, so that's our new dining room light. I love it. So yes, it's a very nice kitchen. It's a showcase here. I mean, wonderful. So there is nothing else to show you, pretty much. Okay, so basically that's about it. So I would like to thank you for watching to our video. And there's more videos to see on our website, again, www.paramountestateslc.com. And I'll see you again next time.